next page.
Up, down.
Oh, no,
okay.
no.
Hey, what's up, what's up, what's up? You're morning, you're hello, you're sleepy, you better wake up. Welcome back to Licia Life and Travel. Today I'm here with a very special guest. He's my former boss. I worked for this man for almost how many years? 5, 6 years in China. And now we are business partners. Welcome to Licia Life and Travel. Say your name, please.
My name is YD. Hello.
His name is Wadi, and this man has been like all of my time here in China. He's my boss. He was like everything, and now we are switching that whole, working thing. Put your hands up. We are switching it now to business. It's all about business. And to welcome me back to China, he brought me out for a buffet, and we are here to eat, chop, chop, chop. Check out the menu. Here, a lot of seafood here, so I'm going to pick what I want. Everything is so digital right now. You're not welcome, huh? You too. I'm done. After eating all the rocks in here. This crayfish you see, right? It tastes sweet. Not like the regular crayfish. It lives in cold water, not warm water. Yeah, it tastes really sweet. They get raw salmon and in here. Octopus, they now cut them one here small. And everyone can be eating raw. They cook them. What do you have to be dressing in there? What one they lot get to do here in the tree because I get a flower. Chef Aloysius, what's this? Why you can be decorating it in there? Explain to me what the flower doing here. What the lot doing here. I'm so done. Some nice Japanese beer. Some good food. Fruit salad. Yeah, that chef enjoying his job. It's a sight to behold, actually. The way he prepares the food. With so much passion. It's like the music playing in his ear that he's listening to.
可以啊，可以啊，我在家。